Nathan. So we're gonna do part 2 of this. We're gonna finish this track.
Yes.
Because Nathan accidentally pressed the button, so we decided to do it part 2. Okay, let's finish, guys.
We might need a string that's going to into that.
Oh look, then we'll do one of these that goes. We need okay. We need something going this way. Give me.
Oh, so it's
Okay.
like zigzag, zigzag, zig.
And then we'll have to go that way.
It's like a zigzag.
And then we'll like connect it.
With a straight.
Yeah, bro.
One more turn.
We'll have to do. Yeah, this part.
Maybe. That's breaking the track.
I know, because you gotta turn this over. Let's see. See, Nathan, you gotta turn this over a little bit. You gotta turn this whole thing over this.
You're breaking.
We have to!
We have to break this whole entire.
Geez, saucy pants. We don't have to break the whole entire thing.
But I need to fix this.
Nathan! Then we can't do this! Then we'll have to break the track.
But these all have to be standing up on their 4 feet.
See, Nathan, what did I tell you?
You are the smartest guy.
Do we just need this? We need another short part. Ugh. Oh, darn it. Oh! Okay.
Oh my god. Oh! Sorry guys, didn't mean to interrupt the video. I feel like I see. I open the door. See, this is the coastline.
Well, oh my god, that's standing up now. What about me? Stick it right here. Yeah. Okay, Nathan. Do you like the track now? Think it's good?
You guys like the track?
But look, now it's standing up. So take you out.
Yeah, you're a loser.
Oh, okay. And then we can use this to make like a guy go up here. To get you.
This track looks sick, right?
Yeah. And then they can come up inside there.
I'm having a little trouble with logs. No. Logs, I need a little help.
Okay, just wait.
I see. I see.
Nathan, look at mine. Hey Nathan, look.
Wow, that looks sick.
See, told you I'm smart, man.
You are smart. Am I fast?
I'm fast, you're smart. No, you're fast, I'm smart.
Yeah. And when you leave something, I can get like whoosh. One big slam. Right?
Yeah.
Like I'll ship
Okay, bro. And then what do we? But we need more stuff, and then we'll. Okay, good. We have one of these. Nathan, why'd you? No. Nathan, I need to use that. Look! How am I gonna finish it?
Because I don't have one of those.
You don't need one. Nathan, you don't need one. It's fine. Okay? Nathan, you don't need one, I said.
Not one of these, like one of these.
No, you don't.
Yes, I need one.
No, you don't.
Well, how could I finish it? Okay, but only for that sword, I guess.
Look, you got an extra one.
I need to put that on the other.
No, you don't.
Yes.
Nathan, you're smarter than me. See? Nathan, no? Yeah.
This is the goes on.
You need another one to go on? Or is that good?
That's good.
No?
Now can I put it on? You put it backwards.
I know. No.
How did you break it?
How did I break it? I break it. You're not smart.
You broke
Mm-hmm.
it. How about we start being friends?
This is so hard not to break.
I know.
It's so stupid.
Because you need this one.
This one, that one's better?
No. The orange is going orange. The same color has to go in the same color.
Okay, maybe you shouldn't use it.
I know.
See, Nathan, you shouldn't use it. There won't be more trouble.
I'm going to ask Nanny if she can fix it.
Nathan, you don't need it.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Well, the other one has one. And the
Really, watch. I'll test it out now. See if you're wrong, and you probably will. So, if you want it to go here? You want it to go down here? Where do you want it to go? Right
How
here?
about you try to go down?
You want it to go right here. Where do you want it to go? Are you dumb?
Right here.
See what?
And it just makes it big.
Nathan, you don't know anything.
I'm going to ask Nanny.
I know how to do it.
No, you need this one.
It don't matter which one. Look, they're both the same. Give me it, sausage.
Don't leave that on. That was
I'm Nathan Green.
If you leave that on, they'll just... Oh no! Look. We can't go on your track.
Yes, we can.
How? We
Remember?
have to make it?
Yeah, remember we just break it? No, Nathan!
We need to try to... Look! Oh yeah. Then there's rocks. Oh yeah. So if you... We just leave... How about we just leave this one like this? In the drawer and then it goes... Can I test yours out? I want to test yours out.
Nathan, you test your own. This is not mine.
Can I test yours?
This is mine.
No, I got
You
it.
got, no, you said it's mine.
But I picked it out.
Then why'd you say it's mine?
I didn't.
You did.
Oh, I said I wanted to test your track.
No, you said I want to test yours out. Now, we gotta finish that first before we do that.
I wanted to test.
Let me test it out first. And plus, we need another one.
And I don't get any.
Yes, you do. You get one. Then I don't get it. How about this? We both get one each. not good. Just, Nathan, you just did that on purpose.
Look!
See, it's better now.
But we have to put it on the two legs. See, now I need two of them. Like two arms. See, look!
Yeah.
We'll use it. We'll do it your way.
Because see, then, you know. You don't have.
Wait, I need that.
There's a couple more tracks that I could use. So I'm going to start using some more.
You know you sound like Jacob.
No, I do not.
A little bit.
A little bit? Why do I sound like Jacob a little bit?
Because when you talk like...
So guess what?
What?
Do I sound like Jacob now?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You always sound like Jacob.
Ever since I was born?
Yes.
I never even talked when I was born.
You
Did I look like Jacob? Well, I do.
gave up, not me.
What?
I did not even give up. My piece is all done.
My masterpiece is going good.
That looks very cool.
Wait, let me see if my train... Where's Yeah, he can't fit. Nathan, he can't fit through there. Oh. That's hard to take off.
I know.
Nice.
See, I was a masterpiece, right?
Yeah, I'll see if he can like drive on it. Huh? But we need some there. Oh, wrong way.
Hey, that's for me. You did it! That was a master!
Yeah, let's do it. We'll start from... Wait. No. So we gotta be ready to break it. Swing. Then watch. Oh.
How about we just leave it open?
Yeah, let's leave it open. That's it. Take. Hey!
It's my turn.
Dude, we gotta get it back on. I think you're supposed to get it. Can you get it back on?
No, how about we just leave it off?
No, Nathan.
I can do it. I can do it. I open the door and turn us. We have to do it really hard.
Open. Oh, bro. Let's just take them both off. We don't need these. Okay.
And when you want to float away, so when...
How about this? Since it's like a really broken bridge, we could like put these two parts over there, and then one could be like that.
And one could be like this.
Yeah.
And one should be like the one like crush it and like this.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Want to test out track?
Yeah.
I think the track's pretty good.
The last one. Oh, sorry.
Nathan.
I didn't mean to do it.
Yeah, right. There.
Then we can show them the whole track when we're done. Is it? This is gonna be an epic failure.
What?
I said epic failure.
That means it's gonna be. This means it's not gonna be a good track.
I said it was an epic
Failure.
yes.
That means it's gonna be a bad track.
Epic.
It's gonna be epic.
Epic.
It's gonna be epic.
No, I'm speeding geometry. I'm going to spine. Oh my god.
Okay, now go. Oh, maybe we should just put that here.
My train is going away. Wheel Thomas. Wheel Thomas don't work.
Okay, I'll go first since it was my idea. So we wouldn't do that one. We're gonna just try this one. So wanna do it? Come on, Nathan.
I'm gonna be Edwin.
Nathan, we shouldn't. Nathan, look, he can't fit. This is supposed to be top. The top. Down there. See? See, you're not supposed to have this here.
She's so quick. So funny.
I'm gonna start. How about we start from here? How about we start from here?
Nathan, can you connect? Okay, there we go.
We start from here and then we go. Then we go Robin.
Nathan,
I was only testing.
I wanted to test it.
That's mine.
Well, I'm testing it first. It was my idea.
I mean, yeah.
Nathan, we needed those to keep it up. Then yeah.
Now the whole thing's getting up.
No, look, it goes up.
It is.
Yeah, so who cares?
What? 10 more?
We gotta do this quick. Okay, guys. So we're gonna show you this track now.
Yeah, let's go down.
Move out of the way.
I guess you guys say F.
We gotta go quick. So where's mine? Okay, guys. So 3.
So we have to start from here, remember?
No. Here. 3. Oh, this is my wrong guy. Where'd you put mine?
I don't have to. What?
Where's mine?
I don't know.
You had mine. I know you did. How do you say?
How come you're using the
3, 2, 1.
I'm starting with...
Why is he coming up there?
Oh my god.
So guys, that was epic. Can you do yours again? He comes up.
Okay.
He's gonna come racing down now. Okay guys, so that was the most epic